Hi guys, welcome back to NAT5 and 5. Hopefully it'll be around 5 minutes we'll do this video in. We'll look at volume and we're going to look at pyramids and cones. Okay, so you are given this in the exam. I have wrote here volume of pyramid equals a third multiplied by the area of the base multiplied by the height. In the exam they would... So I'm just going to change to a red pen here. It is abbreviated slightly, so the volume of prism equals a third multiplied by the area of the base. They usually write that with a big A, so you know what's the area of the base, multiplied by the height. Now I've wrote here vertical height, which is very important. It's not the height here that's slanted. It has to be the vertical height that's straight up and down. So this formula here is in fact given in the exam. So all you have to do is substitute everything in. So let's look at the one at the bottom. So volume equals a third multiplied by A, which means the area of the base, multiplied by H, which is the vertical height. So I've told you here that this is a square base pyramid. So this A here is going to be the area of the base. So the area of the base is the area of the square, which is going to be 6 multiplied by 6, which is a 36. So you can write the volume equals a third multiplied by 36 multiplied by the height of 12, and you can use your calculator to type all that in, or you can work it out in your head, and your answer is 144 centimeters cubed. And that is your final answer. Okay, let's look at the next one. Okay, find the volume of this cone and give your answer to 3 significant figures. So again, the cone is given in the exam. This formula here is given in the exam. It's a little bit like a special type of pyramid. So it's like a third multiplied by the area of the base. Now you know the base is in fact a circle. So it's really a third multiplied by the area of the base, which is pi r squared, multiplied by the vertical height, which is h, and that's simplified to this form here. Okay, so we're going to multiply that. We're going to work out this bottom cone here just by substituting everything in. So the formula, volume of the cone equals a third pi r squared h. These are all multiplying together. So it's going to be a third multiplied by pi multiplied by, now the radius, do not make this mistake, very common mistake. You are given the diameter of 8. I would always write on my diagram what the radius is, so you do not make a little mistake and write 8. So it's going to be 4 squared multiplied by the height, which is 13.5. You're going to type all of that into your calculator and you're going to get an answer of 226.194. And again, just give a fuller answer just to make sure that you get your answer mark. Go back to the question and just check what they have asked in terms of accuracy. In this case, they have asked for 3 significant figures. So 3 most important figures. So 1, 2, 3 are the most important. This here is your decider. If it's 5 or more, it rounds this 6 up, and if it's less than 5, it stays the same. So this number of 1 is less than 5, so it makes that 6 stay the same. So your answer is 226 centimeters cubed, rounded to 3 significant figures. And that's you. That is your final answer. Over to you guys now. It is your turn. There is 2 questions here, very similar to the ones I have just done. I've also give you the answers, so please work them out first and then check your answers. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.